how to add some app translator to Control Center on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the Control Center. Here, tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen and you will see the Add a Control option at the bottom. Tap on that and further in the interface that you will be led to. Scroll through and find the Translate option, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for Translate option and tap on it, and with this, Translate option will be added to your Control Center. So go ahead and resize it if needed and place it anywhere you want by simply moving the control, and now tap anywhere on the screen, and with this, as you can see, Translator has been added to the Control Center. So this is how you can add Translator to Control Center on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.